Have you always wanted to live on the water and haven't made the jump yet? Now is the time. Come enjoy this adorable waterfront compound, your own Bull Island retreat. Bring your boat, kayaks, fishing poles, etc., fiberglass bulkhead, boat lift, fish cleaning station, and even ramp for climbing out of water. Beautiful backyard to enjoy summertime cookouts, fall fires, you name it. The inside of the rancher has an updated kitchen, granite counters, stainless appliances to include gas cooking, hardwood floors that have been refinished, and new flooring in the gathering room. The owner's suite has double walk-in closets and built-in desk area. The ensuite has double vanities and large tiled shower. You will enjoy sitting in sun porch overlooking the water views. There is a built-in outdoor wood-burning oven on the porch, vent to cook pizzas, etc., newly installed gas heat.